Hey everybody, it's your boy, Eduardo Jackson, CEO, founder of Cinema Draft, and the owner of the blacksandbitcoin.com site where I stay black and still loving Bitcoin, especially on a day like today when it's been really hard to love crypto. I just wanted to put out a quick post, or a quick video to allay some fears and let you guys know it's gonna be all right. Okay, so let me share my screen and we'll get to the business of the day. It ain't pretty. I'll be real. This is CoinMarketCap right now. It's a bloody mess. Over the last 24 hours, down, double digits down. All of our favorites: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple's even down 7%. Litecoin, Dash, all the ones in my coin portfolio are down. This will break the little mini streak of 2 straight days of growth I've had, which was precipitated before that by a 9-day growth streak. You can't win forever. It's okay. We've had a monster year. And just to give you some perspective of how wild this ride is, and I'm really putting this out for the newbies, or something I learned last night or today called the Newcoiners. Is this a thing? The old holders and new coiners? This is news to me, but apparently Reddit is like naming people and stuff. Anyways, for you new coiners out there, relax. Now, this is the all-time chart, or as far back as May 2013, which is, I believe, when CoinMarketCap got started. And you see it's there at $141. There's a shoot up to 837 in 20 right before 2014, and then it got down to the 200. It was as low as 228, 223. It was low 220 in May of 2015. I remember working at a startup 2 years ago and giving out $3 in Bitcoin to everyone in the office, because I believed in it so much, and it was trading at around 250 at the time, and I still bought more. I mean, it's just this is what it does. So it's gone from 141 to 1100, actually 1122, 11 some around there. I remember there's one point where it was the same price as gold at that time, and everyone was just like, "What?" Like, yeah, gold. How cute. It's been in our rear view for a long time. Anyways, this is what it does. Now, obviously, on the long-term chart, this stuff looks like, small potatoes, and it kind of is. But if you want to look at logarithmically, which is like by percentage of its overall by percentage of its overall market cap, I mean, it's not too bad. It has these huge spikes, and then it kind of settles and keeps lurching forward. So what I'm saying is keep your eye on the ball, people, especially if you're tracking just Bitcoin. Keep your eye on the ball. It has these big run-ups and then corrections, like pretty much every other market ever known to man. But over time, it still lurches forward. We got to keep our eye on this, because if you look at even the 1 year, well, logarithmically, it's always going to go up, but linearly over the 1 year. And I was telling someone that I bought a full Bitcoin at this price a year ago. I think either today or a year ago yesterday at 868, and I was mad because I was on the way to the airport. A friend of mine was driving me, and I bought it at 868, and I was mad because it had gone up $20 in like the last hour. And I'm like, oh my God, did I miss it? That was a year ago yesterday at 868, and here we are. Even though it had this huge run up to damn near 20,000, oh, we were so close. We were so close. And now we're down. Now we're down to 13,000. The gains you've seen this year are unlike anything you've held in your portfolio other than crypto or Bitcoin. So, in the immortal words of Aaron Rodgers, relax. And to put something else in perspective, uh, coin market cap right now. Hold, hodl. All right, to put something else in perspective, this guy Charlie Bilello, who I am now following, brought up this handy chart. He said Bitcoin has declined 34% over the past 4 days. Its fifth 30% plus correction of the year, and he shows you the chart of when this has happened. Y'all need to be strong. If you're just getting into this market, I know it can seem scary, maybe a little thrilling if you like chasing highs and lows like that. All I'm saying is that this for Bitcoin is fairly normal. and the times between our new highs are generally, shrinking. Look at 914 to 10.8, 40 days between new highs, 86, 66. So it could go bearish for a few months. It's okay. In this case right here, it went for almost a few years, a couple of years. In this one, it went for a few years. So it's not unlike, or actually, or 1,181 days to new highs. So if you're in it to chase new highs, I understand this is annoying, if upsetting. But what I'm here to tell you is that this is fairly normal. And for an even wider macro view, under my article, or I guess it's an article, it's somewhat researched, under my post, why it's never too late to buy Bitcoin. You should be looking at today as a prime opportunity to buy. It's down to just under 13,000 on CoinMarketCap. My God, where's the bottom? Nobody knows per se. We've broken several lines of support, I'm told, by people who study charts and trading and technical analysis. But I think that it's always a good time to buy Bitcoin, especially on the dips. As a matter of fact, it's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to buy the dips and sell the highs within reason. Don't sell all your position, of course. Just sell some of it, because you always want to be in Bitcoin and crypto. But another reason why it's never too late to buy into Bitcoin, I put up this little chart right here, which we got from, was it mypf.com? Someone did the math on all this. If you had a $10,000 investment in mid-2010 in Bitcoin, or in Bitcoin, you'd be sitting on $201 million as of a few weeks ago. Now this number probably is cut by a third. So, oh no, I'm sitting on 120 million or 110 million instead of 201 million. Still, S&P 500, you're only doubling your money. Bonds, you're up $2,000. Gold, you have lost $19. So what are you doing? So basically, once again, I'm just saying, relax, breathe, now reach out. A little Last Jedi illusion for you people. But yes, it is okay. We are all going to be okay. We're going to get through this together. This is fairly normal. As they say in trading analysis, it's a time of consolidation. If you're in this game, you should be in it for the long haul. There are definitely things you can get for quick strikes, but my coin portfolio, which I've not done the math on today, it will be in the red. I promise you. You can't survive, double-digit drops in all the coins today, like I did today. But I'm fine. Our portfolio is going to be fine. Your portfolio, if it's somewhat diversified, will be fine. And it's just a simple correction, and we will form, higher lows like we've always had, and strive towards higher highs later on. We've got some interesting news about Goldman Sachs getting in the game. They're actually going to be forming a trading desk, I believe, to invest into Bitcoin directly. And I'm not sure it's a wider cryptocurrency, but it's definitely going to be at least Bitcoin. So if the Goldman Sachs bailout cowboys are getting in, and they never lose, and I say they never lose because if they lose, it's usually at taxpayer expense. So if they're getting in it, there's money to be had. HODL, that's hold in crypto speak. HODL your coins, steal your nerves. It's going to be all right. And as always, HODL if you hear me.